Saleable returns verification. Drug counterfeiting is a global issue and can seriously impact health. That's why governments now require serialization. The global standards are set by GS1 for unique identification, such batch lot serialized global item trait number GTIN. Return in pharmaceutical industry is approximately 2 to 3% of sales of total 1.1 trillion in 2015. The Drug Supply Chain Security Act in USA requires drugs to be serialized and traceable for returns from November 2019. Each returned product needs to be verified as authentic with the manufacturer before it can be resold. That's because someone might return counterfeit drugs which are unwittingly resold by the manufacturer or wholesaler. How we can verify saleable drugs to make sure they are authentic? We can see several selected DSCSA program participants. That shows it is a lot of solution on the market. The solution that I would choose is SAP Innovation Collaboration Hub for Life Science with partnership with Meiji Ledger. In this private blockchain solution, wholesaler can send verification request to SAP Information Collaboration Hub. The verification request is typically triggered by the scan the data matrix code on the product pack that encodes the product identifier PI, which includes GTIN, lot, expiration date, serial number. When a verification request is received from a wholesaler, the lookup directory in SAP Information Collaboration Hub determines the endpoints where verification is executed based on the GTIN in the verification request. The service routes the verification request. The verification is executed in SAP blockchain or in the third-party solution. A response is then sent to wholesaler. In order to connect with different networks, Meiji Ledger solution is used in this case. The benefits for this solution we can see here on the screen, few of them. I would recommend to add to this solution IoT devices with RFID as per pharmacosurveillance blockchain system in order to record factors such as temperature, humidity, etc. that could have impact on the condition of the drugs. As well, add the blockchain for GDPR data.